Hello my lovely people, this is the second video of my channel. The first video was a road trip to Kodaikanal. So अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो go check it out. ये सेकेंड वीडियो है. अभी तो लॉकडाउन चल रहा है तो हम कोई भी रोड ट्रिप्स पे नहीं जा सकते, कोई भी वीकेंड ट्रिप्स पे नहीं जा सकते. And it is clearly mentioned on a description box as well that this is a checklist video. This video actually helps you in planning out and making a checklist. जब if in case you are going on a road trip तभी करनी है जब लॉकडाउन ओवर हो जाता है and things become a little more normal. So next road trip कब होगी? Nobody has the answer because when lockdown खत्म होगा things becomes a little more normal, then maybe we might plan a road trip. So road trip की checklist बनाने के लिए it basically depends on 4 things. First is कि आप कहाँ travel कर रहे हो, मतलब आप कौन सी part you are going for the mountains, you are going for the beaches, you are going on any of the religious trip or a spiritual trip, you are just going for a long drive. I mean कोई purpose नहीं है, सिर्फ ऐसे ही drive के लिए जा रहे हैं. It depends on that as well. How long are your trip? Is it like a to and fro one day trip? Is it like a weekend trip where you start spending like Saturday, Sunday and then you're coming back on Sunday to join the office on Monday? Is it like a little more longer trips in which you're spending like the entire week or something like that? So it depends on how long are your trips. The second thing was how long. The third thing depends on whom you're traveling with. If in case you're traveling with say a toddler or a baby, so it depends, your checklist will be more focused on the baby and the other part. If in case you're traveling with your friends, your colleagues, so things you don't have to actually make a checklist then. आप कुछ भी random सामान उठा के भी जा सकते हो. Third, fourth, it depends on for what purpose you are doing this road trip. If in case you're going somewhere for not for any particular purpose though, you're just going for having fun, you're just going and enjoying the route along, or if in case you have a purpose that you want to go somewhere, spend some time and then you want to come back, so it depends on what purpose you are doing the trip for. So 4 points is where you're going, how long are you going, with whom you are going, and fourth is for what purpose are you doing this road trip on. So without any delay now, let's start making the checklist. So the first thing in your checklist for a road trip has to be your chargers or your power banks. So we carry our cameras as well, we carry our phones and as well, so there has to be a car charger in which you can plug in your phones, your cameras. We have a dashboard as well, so that is also on continuous charging. So your power banks and your chargers are the first thing that you keep in your bag when you are going on a road trip. So the second important thing that you have to keep in your checklist is cash. So yes, there is digital money that we use through Google Pay or Paytm or PhonePe and so things. But yes, when you are going on roads, it's very important to keep the cash, especially in India, because you never know when you want to buy the stuff and the people whom you're buying with or you're interacting with, they have digital money or not, or they do accept digital money or not. So cash तो रखना ही रखना है. Another thing that you have to keep along with the cash is FASTag. So FASTag has been compulsory implemented in India from 31st December, I think. So FASTag का recharge भी, that is your third point in your checklist. The fourth thing, which is actually should be have been the first thing, is your documents, है ना. So गाड़ी का इंश्योरेंस, गाड़ी का आरसी, योर ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस, योर पोल्यूशन सर्टिफिकेट, दैट इज ऑल्सो नेसेसरी नाउअडेज. सो ये चारों चीज़ें डॉक्यूमेंट्स होने चाहिए. सो बिफोर यू स्टेप इन टू द कार, जस्ट चेक वेदर दीज 4 things are there or not, otherwise you may face problems. So the next thing that you have to keep in your mind whenever suppose it is a random trip, है ना, रात में प्लान किया कि सुबह चलते हैं, फिर द फर्स्ट, सो यू हैव अ लिटिल टाइम ना, 1 घंटा 2 घंटा तो है ही अगर रैंडम ट्रिप है तो भी, और अगर प्लान ट्रिप है देन तो यू हैव लाइक एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. So make sure that you download offline maps. It is highly important. So we have done certain road trips, and we thought कि हाँ net तो चलेगा ही और you know there will be internet access throughout, but there was not. So we have to ask for locations and we have to look for sign maps and other things. So it's highly recommended that you download offline maps to the area, or you know you can have a radius across it. So you download the offline map, thing comes your Dana Pani. So actually we don't buy plastic bottles, या जहाँ तक avoid कर सकते हैं वहाँ तक avoid करते हैं plastic bottles buy करना. So we carry some, मतलब at least 4-5 लीटर हम अपने साथ पानी लेके जाते हैं. If in case we are going, or if in case we are coming back from there, then also we refill our bottles and then we come. खाने के लिए we carry like huge amount of say healthy snacks के साथ साथ unhealthy snacks also. So we carry chocolates. See, chocolates and energy bars actually gives you instant energy when you're going on a road trip and you have started in the night. जब रात में आप ड्राइव कर रहे हो, कभी कभी इतना, कितने गाने सुनोगे, हाँ कितना, इफ इन केस इट्स जस्ट 2 of you or just 3 of you, तो कितना बात करोगे, थोड़ा नींद भी आने लगता है. So having chocolates or having something sweet gives you the instant energy that is required at that time. So we carry chocolates, we carry mints, we carry chips, we carry you know cakes, all the kind of random stuff. We do carry certain healthy snacks as well. We carry certain juices as well, fresh juices, you know the Tetra pack which comes juices. So we carry that as well. So yes, खाना पीना पहले से ही स्टॉक में लेके चलते हैं हम लोग तो, ताकि रोड पे इतना प्रॉब्लम ना हो. जब आप इतना सारा खाना पीना लेके जा रहे हो, so obviously there will be wrappers, है ना, there will be garbage or the litter that you will be carrying or you will be throwing. So we carry garbage bags with us. Garbage bag सबको carry करना चाहिए ना. So the next thing can be your medicines. If in case you are on any say continuous medications, you should carry your medicines along with you, because yes, there are medical stores everywhere in India, but you never know whether you'll find that particular medicine of yours or not. If in case you're not on regular medications, but you're going on a longer road trip, then also it is highly suggestive to carry certain medications at least with you. So the next important thing that we all should carry are certain toiletries with us. So irrespective whether you're going on mountains or irrespective whether you're going on any of the beaches or plain surfaces, you should carry sunscreen with you. At least sunscreens, hand washes, paper napkins, paper soaps, wipes. These are the essential things that one must carry with them. Some are your sunglasses or your caps or your hats. So sunglasses are a must. I feel, मतलब मैं तो कहीं भी जाती हूँ, I carry my sunglasses. I have different kinds of sunglasses that I carry. So you know, from your beach sunglasses to your fancy sunglasses to your aviators. Even if you're not going somewhere which is like beachy, but दोपहर में गाड़ी चला रहे हैं तो obviously इतना sun glare आता है that you have to put a sunglasses to keep your eyes open. Also we keep a small umbrella in our car as well. Now when we plan like certain very long trips, by very long I mean if in case it is a 10-day trip also, it is a long trip. So we try to carry our extra key, you know, carry your extra key with you, but just don't keep it inside the car. Now your last but very important thing that you have to carry is your music playlist. So going on a road trip and you don't have music, so you can rely on FM, but but never know कि आपको ads ही ज़्यादा सुनने को मिलेंगे और music नहीं. So make sure that you have either a good amount of downloaded music with you. If in case you're going to a place which you don't have internet access, but yes, you should definitely make a music playlist or a road trip music playlist. So that's it. That's all the stuff that you will be carrying on your next road trip. Do let me know if in case this video was helpful for you. And like the video, share the video if in case you feel that it would be helpful for anybody. And please subscribe to the channel. See you. Take care.